In this video, we are unboxing the steering wheel puller tool. The steering wheel puller tool. The main purpose of this tool is to remove interference-fit steering wheels from vehicles. Smoothly pull the steering wheel off the steering column splines, preventing damage to the steering column or tearing the clock spring. It can also be used to remove crankshaft pulleys, fan pulleys, flanges, and other pressed-on disc-type components. The kit includes various lengths and thicknesses of retaining bolts to fit most vehicle steering wheel mounting holes. The new style puller bridge spans across the steering wheel bolt holes as a base. The center forcing screw pushes against the steering shaft to create pulling force. The flat and pointed tip protectors prevent the screw from damaging the steering shaft threads. Multiple retaining bolts lock the bridge securely into the steering wheel's mounting holes. Now let's begin the demonstration. Use the large 19mm short socket, large ratcheting wrench for rotating the puller center screw. This time just for demonstration. First, remove the steering wheel airbag. Unplug the connector. After removing the airbag, remove the steering wheel retaining bolt. We'll notice the steering wheel is very tight. Next, take the puller base and center screw. Align the flat side of the screw with the base. We can see the flat side and insert it. After assembly, select the appropriate tip based on the steering wheel mounting hole size and vehicle type. Just slide the tip onto the screw. Install the flat tip. Install the pointed tip. For this vehicle, the mounting holes are too small, so we will use the center screw directly. We can see two threaded holes on the steering wheel. Different vehicles have them in different positions, so locate them according to the removed vehicle application. Then find the two retaining bolts that match the thread, pitch, and diameter of the holes. Align the assembled tool with the bolt holes. Choose the base mounting position based on the hole spacing and location. Install the matching retaining bolts and tighten them. Then turn the center screw and make slight adjustments. Continue to adjust to ensure everything is secure. Once the tool is locked in place, use a 19mm wrench or 19mm socket. We are using the large 19mm short socket with the large ratcheting wrench this time. Slide the socket over the center screw. Then turn the wrench clockwise. The steering wheel can be removed easily. The above are all the operation steps for this tool.